So we are here at our CX Summit.
The Customer Experience Summit is an opportunity for passionate people within the customer support space to come together, talk about their wins and losses, and think about how to evolve as the world changes going forward.
The CX Summit is a coming together, a melding of the minds.
I would describe this event as a game changer.
A waterfall of really cool and interesting information.
It is very interactive. It has been engaging from beginning to end.
It's a collaboration and connection of people that are really figuring out how can we drive excellence in the CX customer experience space.
There's a lot of laughter coming from these conversations, which you don't necessarily think of when you're thinking of quality assurance, but we make it fun.
There's no better way to improve your company or processes than by listening to the success and learning from the success of others.
Just the look on my customers' faces when I see them resonate with something that another customer is saying. A light bulb's gone off and they're now ready to run with an idea that they've learned from someone else that they see that they can benefit from within their own program.
Having people from all over the place, from different companies, from different backgrounds, it really kind of gives you diversity of thought that you don't find anywhere else.
It's a lot of opportunity to learn more.
My notepad is filled with insights, strategies, aha moments that were just gifted to me.
I'm walking away with learned behaviors and not just information. I'm excited to go back home and be like, let's see how I can make this work for my team.
I get to go back to my company and look like I'm some sort of genius when really I'm just telling them what I'm hearing here.
Don't wait, come take a chance and leave with more information than what you came with.